Hi children, today we are going to discuss some MCQ questions in linear equation in two variables. Okay, the first one is find the value of m if x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 2 is a solution of x plus 5y equals 3m. This is the question. Okay, the equation already given over here, x plus 5y equals 3m. So we should substitute the value, is it? So x is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 plus 5y, that means 5 into 2 equals 3m. Then minus 1 plus 10 equals 3m. One negative and one positive on addition, we will subtract, is it, and put bigger number sign. So 9 equals 3m. Then we should find the value of m. So m equals 9 divided by 3. So m equal 3. This is the value of m. Understood? The second question is, if O comma P is a solution of the equation 5x minus 3y equals 0, then find the value of P. Here equation is 5x minus 3y equals 0. Is it? Then we should substitute the value of x is equal to 0 and y is equal to P. Shall we substitute? Okay. So 5 into 0 minus 3 into P equals 0. 5 into 0, that is 0, minus 3 into P, that is 3P equals 0. So we will get 3P equals 0. Then P is equal to 0 only. Understood? In this way we are finding the values. The next question, third one, x plus 5 is equal to 2x in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c. First we should write in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0. The given equation is 5 equals 2x. Here x variable is there and constant also is there. So y is not here, is it? So ax means it will be 2x, then y is not here, then we put 0y, then 5 is minus 5 over here equals 0. Understood? This is the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0. From this equation we have to indicate the values of a, b and c. So a is equal to 2, then b is equal to what? B is equal to 0 only, and c is equal to negative 5. Understood? Next question, the fourth one, every linear equation in two variables has dash solution. If we put the equation, we have to find infinite solution. Is it? Infinite solution. The answer is infinite. The fifth question is, every linear equation in two variables x and y represent dash. X and y always represent in straight line. Understood? Straight line. Next, the question is, if the value of a, so that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, is a solution of the equation 9ax plus 12ay equals 63. We have to find the value of a, is it? They are given over here, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. The equation is 9ax plus 12ay equals 63. So we shall substitute the value of x and y. 9a into 1 plus 12a into 1 equals 63. 9a into 1, 9a only. 12a into 1, 12a equals 63. 9a plus 12, this is like term, we have to add directly. So we will get the answer 21a equals 63. We have to find the value of a, then 21a, this is multiplication over here, it will change to division going to the right hand side. So it will be 63 divided by 21. So a is equal to 21 3s are 63. The value of a is 3. Understood? The seventh question, find two solutions for the linear equation 4x plus 3y equals 12. So substituting, we should substituting x is equal to 0, then we will get y value, then we will get one solution. And again we can substitute y is equal to 0, then we will get x value and another solution. This is the two required solution. So shall we do it? So substituting x is equal to 0, then 4 into 0 plus 3y equals 12. Is it? 4 into 0, 0 plus 3y equals 12. 3y equals 12. Y is equal to 12 by 3 equals 4. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. This is the 0, 4 is the solution of the given equation. Understood? Then again another one. This is the first solution. Then we will substitute y is equal to 0. Then 4x plus 3 into 0 equals 12. Then 4x equals 12. Then x is equal to 12 by 4 is equal to 3. So we got x 3 over here. So x should be right first. 3, 0. This is the another solution. Understood? So we got 0, 4 and 3, 0 are the required two solutions. Understood? So if we substitute x is equal to 0, we will get y value, and if we substitute y is equal to 0, we will get the value of x. Understood? Then we will get two required solution. In this way we are finding the solutions of the given equation. The next question is, find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equals k. So x is equal to 2 is it, and y is equal to 1 is the solution of the equation is 2x plus 3y equals k. Substitute x and y the values. So 2 into 2 plus 3 into the value of y is 1 equals k. 2 2s are 4. 3 into 1 3 equals k. Then 4 plus 3 we should add it. Then we will get 7. 7 is equal to k. Then the value of k is 7. Understood? This is very easy question in the linear equation in two variables. Understood? The next question is, if m, 2m plus n 1 is a solution of the equation 3x plus 4y equals 26, find the value of m. Here m, 2m plus n means x is equal to m and y is equal to 2m plus 1. Understood? So the given equation is 3x plus 4y equals 26. So we have to substitute the value of x and y. So 3 into x is equal to m plus 4 into y is equal to 2m plus 1 equals 26. 3 into m, 3m plus here 4 into 2m plus 1. So we should use multiplication over distributive property of multiplication over addition. So 4 into 2m, 8m plus 4 into 1, 4. Understood? Equals 26. Then 3m plus 8m, that is 11m. Because it is like terms, we can add directly. Plus 4 equals 26. Understood? Then we have to find the 11m. Because variables always come left side and the constant will be right side. Constant here 26 is there. Plus 4 will goes to the LHS to RHS. While transporting it, the sign will change. It will be minus 4. So 11m is equal to 26 minus 4, that is 22. Understood? So m is equal to 22 by 11, that is 2. Understood? Give the geometrical representation of y is equal to 3 as an equation in one variable. That is the 10th question. Okay. So y is equal to 3. The geometrical representation means to represent the solution on number line. Where? Number line. Understood? One variable means you should draw it represent in a number line. If it is two variable means you should represent in the graph. Understood? Number line means here 0. In this place it will come -1, -2, -3, -4 like that. This side writes a 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? Here this is the y is equal to 3 means this is the point. Understood? Y is equal to 3. In this way, the geometrical representation of an equation in one variable. Okay. Remember, this is one variable. If it is two variable, you should find the solution and you should plot the points on the graph. Understood? Next question is, write 4 different solutions for the following equation. 2x plus y equals 0. So we have to substitute x is equal to 0, then we will get y. Okay, understood? So x is equal to 0, then 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 7. 2 into 0, 0, 0 plus y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7 only. Understood? So we got one solution, that is 0, 7. Then we will substitute the value of y is equal to 0. Then 2x plus 0 equals 7. Then 2x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 divided by 2. Understood? So we go, therefore we got 7 by 2 comma 0 is the solution of the equation. Then we got two solution. Then we will x is equal to 1. We should substitute, is it? Then 2 into 1 plus y equals 7. 2 plus y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7 plus 2 will be changed to minus 2. Y is equal to 5. Then we got 1, 5 is the solution of the equation. Then substitute value of y equals 1. Then 2x plus 1 equals 7. Then 2x equals 7. Transport LH to RHS, it will be minus. Then 2x is equal to 6. X equals 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Understood? So the solution is 3, 1. So the required solutions are 0, 7, 7 by 2, 0 and 1, 5 and 3, 1 are required for different solution. Understood? The next question is two solutions of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 6 are dash and dash. So we have to find out, is it? So 6, 0 and 0, minus 3 are given over here. So what we will do, we should substitute it. So first one is x minus 2y is equal to 6 equation. So x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0. The first solution. Understood? So we substitute x is equal to 6 minus y is equal to 2 into 0 equal 6. Then we will get 6 is equal to 6, which is true. Understood? Which is true. When the next one is x is equal to, put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 3. So x 0, then minus 2 into minus 3, is it equal 6? Then this will be minus 2 into minus 3, 2 minus sign, while multiplication it will changes to plus sign, it will be 6. 6 is equal to 6. So which is true. Understood? These two solutions are true only. Understood? The next question is, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Okay. A linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. So let the cost of a notebook is rupees X. Okay. And cost of a pen be rupees Y. Understood? Then according to the statement, the cost of the notebook is twice the cost of the pen. So it will be twice the cost of the pen, means it will be 2y, twice. So according to the general form, we should write like this: x minus 2y equals 0. Understood? In this way we are representing the equation. So study well, revise well and write your exams. Okay. Thank you.